Well, good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. We're in a place called Hasenhorn. Excuse the pronunciation. And we're heading for one of the longest toboggans in Germany. We've not picked the right weather for it, to be fair. You can see the mist over the hills there. We've just come through some torrential rain to get here, but lucky enough it's stopped, so hopefully we'll have a decent run down. But yeah, we're just heading to the toboggan now. Now you're not allowed cameras on there. I'm going to try and hide it, try and get away with it, but if I don't get any footage, I apologise now. Well, here we go. We've reached the toboggan. We've got to get the chairlift up, but there it is. And we're gonna come all the way back down it. Here we go. So we're on the chairlift on the way up, and I don't like it already. It's a little bit high for me, but yeah, it's the only way to do it apart from walking it, and that's not happening. I'm going to be honest, you can see it at the side of us there, looping round, and to be honest, I'm a little bit scared. Oh, we've stopped. Don't stop. Oh, here we go. So I think with all the loops and everything, this is about 2 kilometres long. So it's a good old track. Yeah, like I say, you can see it looping round there. No one's come down yet. I wanted to judge how fast it went, but no one's coming down. Which is just my luck, isn't it, really? So yeah, up the chairlift. We are at quite a height. It's about 30 metres up, and it's bouncing about like a good one. I know the stabilisation on the camera's not showing it, but it is bouncing about like a good one. We're level with the clouds. We're literally level with the clouds, so, and we've got to get back down yet. That's just crazy. So that's how high we are, and we've got to get the toboggan, which is over there, all the way back down. And I just can't believe we're literally level with the clouds. And yeah, nervous twitch. There's no turning back, because there's no way on earth I'm walking back down, that's for sure. So yeah, there's only one way down I can see, and that's on that thing there. So here we go, let's give it a go. Like I said, I've got to hide the camera until we get on, but I'll try and pull it out and let you guys enjoy the ride with me. Whoa, Jesus Christ! Whoa! Round the corner. Oh my Jesus! Hey! Here we go. Oh, no braking, no braking, no braking. Here we go. Oh. Wow. Oh, no brake, no brake, no brake. Whoa, my jeez. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my Jesus Christ! Woohoo! Oh, the bumps, the bumps, bumps! Hey! Number 9! Ay, 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 ay. 10. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it slowed down a little bit there. I had to brake, I'm sorry. I had to brake. Here we go, speed again, speed. Oh, Jesus. 14. Oh my jeez. Whoa. We'll see how good the stabilisation is on this camera. That's scary. That is scary. Oh, that is scary view. Oh my Jesus, that's a scary view. Oh my Jesus. 24. Oh, sorry, I had to brake for that. A scary view over there. Absolutely terrifying. Whoa, brake, 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 brake. Brake, brake. Jesus Christ. Oh, oh. Ow. Well, I survived it. That was absolutely fantastic. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Debs from Wandering Wilds, who basically suggested coming to this one. This is absolutely top. So if you're not subscribed to them, guys, get yourselves over. They're an absolutely brilliant couple. Mark and Debs, thanks very much for suggesting we come here, because that is one thing off my bucket list now.